Hey, welcome back to Josh's place. Chainsaw. This little hose right here. It popped out of its hole. Down in there. Right there. And I couldn't get it in last night, so I threw it in the freezer. Let's see if it'd shrink it up or do anything for it. To try to stick it back in its hole. And that doesn't seem to work either. Dang. Well, that was a bust. Does not work. I'll have to try something else. So what I eventually did was I grabbed some tweezers and so carefully pushed it down and twisted and pushed it out. Very tedious. But I got it in the hole where it's supposed to be. And now I can finish putting the rest of it back together. It should work. Alright, got it all back together now. So we're gonna see if it runs. Just make sure it's on. Then add a couple of times. Adjust the throttle a little bit. Other than that, it's good. So we got that big boy out. I can't see it. I don't know if anybody can see it, but yeah. And so you can see how big the wheels are. Pretty big. Pretty big reach. I am trying to get this thing fixed. It seems to need an ignition coil. That thing right there. Maybe an igniter too. I just gonna buy all of it. And that concludes getting the chainsaw fixed, man. It does need a new chain. I tried sharpening it, but I'm not real good at sharpening chains. Yeah. So we'll call it a day. It's getting close. Almost ready to pull it out. Thinking I might have to dig deeper than that. But we'll see when that time comes. Till then, take it easy. Peace be with you, man.